In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Java project, a very simple one, and how to upload it on GitHub. In Eclipse, I'm going to create a new Java project. I'm going to call it Hello. And inside the project, I go to the source folder, right-click, a new class. I'm going to call this class app, and I'm going to tick this box so it includes the main method. This is my main method. What I want this program to do is to display a message on the screen saying hello project code mastery. For this we need the command system.out.println. Okay, so this is the text I want the program to display on the screen. If I run it, I get this in the console. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is to go on GitHub and create a new repository. That is going to be the one where we upload our code. So on GitHub, you go on into your account. Hopefully you have an account with them already and you're logged in. You go to new repository, and I'm gonna call mine hello. You can call it whatever you like, obviously, but it's up to you. I'm gonna click create repository. And at this point we have an empty repository. We need to follow these instructions here. But first of all, what's really important is to find the source code of this folder here, of the hello folder. What I've done for simplicity reasons, I have all my source files from Eclipse. I have them on my desktop. So inside my folder called Project Code Mastery, I have all my folders that are going to represent different programs in Eclipse. So at this point, this one, hello here, so this program represents this folder here, okay? If I click into it, and then I go to command prompt, if you have a look at the link here, at the path, I should say, we can clearly see that I'm not inside this hello folder, which is where I need to be in order to start making changes and start pushing all these files into my GitHub account. So for this I need to go, type in the following: cd desktop. So I want to change this path into the desktop because I want to eventually get in here and then eventually get into the hello folder, okay? So right now I'm on the desktop. From the desktop I need to get into this folder. For this I need to type in again cd project, and then I press tab on my keyboard, and it's going to automatically fill the name of my folder. Right now I'm inside, so I'm on the desktop inside this folder here, and I want to get into the hello folder as well. So we do once again cd hello, and at this point I am inside this hello folder, okay? The next thing we need to do is to follow these instructions. So we need to type in git init, so we initialize an empty repository on inside our hello folder. So if you have a look here, you will see that there's going to be a new folder appearing, and that folder is called git. So we've initialized the new repository. If we go back, we need to do this command. So git add and the name of the file we want to add. But in my case, I want to add everything. I want to add the whole project into GitHub. You're gonna see later on that if you work on bigger projects, you're only gonna make changes to probably one file, so you don't have to upload, re-upload into, or re-push into GitHub your whole, project. You only want to push into GitHub the newest version of the file you just worked on. But for now, like I said, I'm gonna just upload the whole contents of the hello folder. So if we have another look here, git add. So git add, and I'm gonna put a space and a dot, and this means that it's gonna add the whole contents of this folder. I pressed enter. Now the following step is to add a message to the commit that we are making. So git commit, and we put a space, a dash, and an M, and the M represents message. And I'm gonna say Alex's first commit, okay, or first upload, so we don't get lost in the whole jargon of GitHub and everything. So I'm gonna press enter, and then we go back. We need to add this command, Git Remote Add Origin, and then the name of our GitHub repository. So Git Remote Add Origin. Git Remote Add Origin. And then here I need to copy this, or you can simply press this little icon here and it's gonna copy it automatically. And we add it here, okay? I'm gonna press enter. Now the last step is to put this command, git push -u origin master. So git push -u origin master. Okay. At this point, we didn't get any errors, anything. So if I'm gonna refresh this, I should see, so if I'm gonna refresh this page, I should see the contents of my Eclipse program. So the one that I wrote in here. So if I'm gonna refresh, there you go. These are all the contents of our program that we wrote in Eclipse. And here, this is, if you remember, when I issued a command git commit -m, Alex's first upload, they appear here because it's good to put some sort of a message to reflect what are the changes you made to the file or to the project that you uploaded into GitHub. So that is pretty much it. It's simple. We're gonna work some more with these ones, but so with uploads, with creating new repositories, downloading, and so on. But for now, this was the video. I hope you found it helpful, and I would appreciate if you could leave me a comment in the comments below, or why not consider subscribing? I'm gonna create much more content, and it's gonna be interesting. Thanks for watching.